Hey friends. For this project, you need an empty wine bottle. So if you don't drink wine, ask your neighbors. Somebody you know has to drink wine. I love the dark bottles for this project. On Amazon, I got the cork lights. I got a 40 pack for less than $10. I will put my Amazon shop here so you can check them out. We're using Chalk Couture. Super easy and cute. So I've got my transfer on, I'm using Rust, and then I'm using Pesto for the stem. Simple. Simple and cute, especially in the fall days where the days are ending early and you have those pretty lights going throughout your house. So we're going to put a cute little tag on it. We're going to use a baby wipe and some semi-sweet paint. Do both sides because you never know on a wine bottle what side is going to be showing. And I'm actually making two. I'm only doing one on camera. So that's why I'm doing two tags. I sell these very successfully in my antique booth, and we're doing a huge craft fair this year, so I'm having to empty some wine bottles so I can get some more done. So now we're going to do a fall tag to go with the fall side of our wine bottle. These are so easy also to do a different holiday on the other side, so that way it's double-sided, so you have more uses for it. But I feel when you put a pumpkin on it, that goes from end of September all the way to December 1st. That's Halloween and Thanksgiving and fall all into one. I'm using some fabric. I think I picked this up at Joann's. Of course, it was on sale. Always buy my fabric when it's on sale. We're just going to do a cool little messy bow. We're going to tie it all up with twine and then attach it to the bottle. It's really that easy. These are fun to give as hostess gifts. Decorate the bottle. You can give them the lights separately, have it full of wine, and they can put it together when it's all done. I love having these all around my house because I don't like having the lights on all the time, but it gives a great ambiance. So there's Halloween. There you go. Happy crafting.